Hi, my name is Lauren Lutchell, and this is a segment in my consciousness series, and it's going to talk about the curiosity cycle because this is really the impetus for learning because we are all born curious, and that curiosity leads us to learn, and all we have to learn from is the environment we have been born into. So I've kind of distilled this or synthesized this into a little graph that I will put again in my my G Plus account. And the first part is to observe and feel experiences, and this has to do with the now and understanding what's going on around you and the different perspectives that are going on around you, because your perspective is not another's perspective, and understanding multiple perspectives. And I have gone into the empathy in previous discussions, but that just gives you like exponential knowledge and for going into this curiosity or learning cycle. The next thing you want to do is to ID patterns and analogies from other experiences to understand how it all works together. And this is important because, at least as far as my experience is concerned, I'm very visual, and I connect different experiences with other experiences versus based on analogies, and I can go into analogies later, but the important part here is to be aware of patterns and able to, because then you can transfer the lessons learned of another experiential pattern that is similar to one you are currently investigating. And then the third step would be to test your how with predictions to learn about the experience. So once you have observed something and made other connections with it, then you want to kind of test out your theories or your hypothesis of what you've come to, and monitor the pros and cons or the differences in results that you find in order to store in your knowledge of Earth and the world and your experience in it. And then the fourth step is to use the reasoning to come up with a why an experience happens based off the testing. So if there is any difference in the experience you've experienced right now versus that you've experienced in the past, you want to understand why. Everything at the end of the day has to do with why. And the why is important because the whys are universal, and the whys will help you understand moving forward all the new experience you are experiencing since that time. If you have a why and that why is valid, there's so much more you can understand and learn than in a situation where you did not have that why. And then the last step is to modify your predictions to unfold universal truths from observations and feelings. So everything in this universe is not independent of anything else. It is all impacting each other, and understanding how and it impacts the future or the past or your present and another's present is very vital to understanding the world at large. And once you modify your predictions, then you're back at step one, where you observe and feel again, and you see if those observations and those feelings are in line with or diverge from the previously known prediction. And if the observation and experience is in line with it, there's nothing really more that you need to look into. But if they differ in any respect, then again, you want to identify the patterns, and you want to identify analogies, and understand how it all works together, and how you may have been right or you may have been wrong, or maybe you were both. And understanding why you were both wrong and right, actually, at the end of the day, would be the most valuable use of this curiosity cycle. So again, this is posted in my G+ account, and I hope you have a great day. And curiosity is important. It is the underlying force of learning, and nobody should ever learn that or lose their curiosity. And if you didn't know what curiosity is, now you do. Have a great day. Bye.